So, the problem we have here is dealing with a nested component structure in Jetpack-Compose, where a deeply nested component needs to interact with a view model. We're trying to figure out the best approach to handle this interaction without causing issues like difficulties in previewing or testing composables. Now, diving into the solution provided, we see that passing the view model down to composables can make them dependent on that view model, which can complicate things like running previews. The recommended approach involves using callbacks to handle interactions between the deeply nested component and the view model. By creating a callback function that triggers the view model's action, we can avoid directly passing the view model down the component tree. In the solution, a callback function is used to handle the interaction with the view model. The code snippet provided demonstrates how to create the callback function and pass it down the composables. This approach helps in decoupling the composables from the view model, making it easier to manage interactions and testing. Additionally, the solution points out the importance of using remember for Lambda functions to ensure stability and prevent unwanted recompositions. By following these guidelines, we can effectively manage interactions between nested components and view models in Jetpack-Compose. In summary, by utilizing callback functions and ensuring stability with remember, we can efficiently handle interactions between deeply nested components and view models in Jetpack-Compose. Remember to keep things decoupled for better maintenance and testing. And with that, it's time to wrap up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Happy coding!